In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Jira Scrum project to streamline your team's workflow. Start by navigating to your Jira dashboard and click Projects in the left-hand menu. Then click Create Project. When prompted, select Scrum as your template. Scrum is perfect for teams working in sprints and aiming for high-quality, sustainable output. Next, choose your project type. Team managed for smaller, flexible teams, company managed for larger organizations needing consistency. After that, enter your project name, which will automatically generate a unique project key. Then set your access level, private, limited, or open, depending on who should view or edit the project. Finally, click Create Project. Jira will prompt you to invite teammates, which you can do immediately or later. And that's it. Your new Jira Scrum project is ready, giving you the tools to manage sprints, track progress, and collaborate efficiently in an agile environment.